If you are treating your YouTube playlist like storage folders to simply organize your upload history, then you're killing your session time. The algorithm cares heavily about how long a viewer stays on the platform after watching your video. To maximize this, you need to leverage the Netflix effect. In this video, I'm breaking down the exact sequencing strategy to turn casual viewers into binge watchers, effectively doubling your views per viewer. Let's get right into it. First, let's look at the entry point. The first video in your playlist should never be the oldest video just because it was episode 1. Unless you are strictly a serialized narrative channel for educational or entertainment channels, the first video needs to be your highest CTR broad appeal video. Go to your analytics, find the video in that specific category with the highest retention and click-through rate, and pin it to the top. This ensures that you have the widest mouth for your funnel. Next, we move to sequencing. The bridge. You have two options here, chronological or thematic. If you are a vlogger or do storytelling, chronological is mandatory. However, you must ensure that the next up feature works for you. To do this, edit the metadata of the video A so that it is the very first line in your description links to the playlist, not the next video. If you are an educational or review channel, strictly use thematic sequencing. Do not order by date, order by problem awareness. Video 1 solves a broad problem. Video 2 solves a specific problem created in video 1. Video 3 will be a deep dive. This creates an open loop in the viewer's mind. They finish one video, realize they need the next step, and the playlist automatically plays the next video for them. Finally, let's discuss frictionless handoff. The biggest mistake creators make is having a 20-second video where they say goodbye. But hopefully this video helped you out. And if it did, why don't you leave a like, comment, subscribe, so on and so forth. And I'll be back with a new video relatively soon. This signals the viewer to leave. To make a playlist bingeable, you need to cut off your outro completely. As soon as value is delivered in the current video, you must verbally reference the next video in the sequence while the end screen appears. This synchronizes the visual cue with the audio cue, making the click to the next video feel like part of the content and not a disruption. If this breakdown helps you rethink your library structure, consider subscribing for more no-nonsense guides on technical channel strategy. Now that you've structured the playlist, you need to ensure people actually click on the cards leading to it. You need to master the bridge phase. Click on this video here to learn exactly how to script your end screen call to action for maximum conversion.